Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. So this morning, quick video, super quick hopefully, because I've got to get to work. But just going to show you next stage of potting up the chrysanthemums, what I do and why. So let me turn the camera around and talk you through it. Here we are. So sneaky peek, there's the chrysanthemum Hannenberg, sorry. Gone into their 1 litre pots. So let me talk you through the process. Okay, so we're into the warmth and this is where I've been potting. Just getting some potting done before work. So I've done Hannenberg as I've shown you. These are John Riley, and so these are all the chrysanthemum cuttings that I've taken in the, well, I suppose autumn, spring. Mainly autumn, and what I'm doing is I'm potting them from their 10.5 centimetre pot into their 1 litre pot, and the 1 litre pot will be the size that they stay at up until planting time. So all I'm trying to do is get 1 tray of each at the moment, which would be 8 plants, and you can see actually that the John Riley are a lot weaker than that Hannenberg are. So it is still a case of being a little bit ruthless, work out which ones we're going to do, and quite frankly, if I need some more cuttings, then I'll be taking it from these, because at the same time as potting I'm chopping them back. So what I'm doing, so 1 litre pot, a bit too much soil in there, I'm literally just covering the base over, then we'll knock the pot out like so. Yeah, so that's the plant out, nice root zone, plant it, so we'll try and get it re-centered in the pot. Not that it makes much difference, because you'll redo it again when you do your planting. So we'll get it there, fill around the edges with your fresh compost, and what we're doing at the same time is we're planting them a little bit deeper, and then by doing that you just mean that it will encourage some more basal growth to give you multiple shoots from coming below the surface of the soil, which is what you want, because otherwise if you plant them kind of like that, exactly the same level, then they're going to be branching from above the soil level. If you have something damage that stem, then you're kind of in a little bit of trouble. Whereas if you're planting them deeper to start with, you're going to end up with multi-branching coming from below the ground. One, you got more stems to then pick from, give you a better plant, but also less likelihood of you losing the plant that way. So for the time being, that is that done, and so I'll just get this tray done, and then I have to shoot to work. But yeah, get this tray done, and then we'll take a few more cuttings, just because I'm not happy with having to pot some of these. So yeah, let's get this finished. Okay, so that's John Riley potted, 1 tray, but as you can see they progressively get weaker, which I'm not happy with. So I will take tops out of these, just down to there, stick it all on one side like so, so that's better. And then with these tops, I'll just use these to take a few cuttings, do another quick pot full, which this time of year they should take quite readily. I did some Hannenbergs there just as a little bit extra, because I do like Hannenberg. I mean, I like both of them, to be fair. Yeah, just if I get 10 plants of each, you know, I've got Martin's chrysanthemum there, I've got all my Alois cuttings, or Alois types of cuttings there, so they then go, I'll split those up and they go into the 10.5 centimetre pots. These are the mother plants. So these mother plants, again, I just need to chop these back. Ignore the 50% stickers. Well, all these, they're all recycled pots. So these Alois types, these will be going out into the cold frame as well. So yeah, just job to do now. But yeah, I've got to go to work, and then this will be my job to finish up tonight. So yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching the video, very quick. I hope you liked it. If you've got any questions, please send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. In the meantime, if you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. And yeah, enjoy doing your gardening. See you soon. Bye for now.